How to post Instagram stories on Android. If any day any of you are an Android user and you would like to post stories from your very Android on the Instagram but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Instagram application on your mobile device. You have to find the very Instagram application, and after you find it, you have to tap on Instagram like this. After you tap on Instagram, Instagram will be launched on your very mobile device. After that, you have to go to the story like option in the top portion and then go to the option like this. Now you can select any of the story from your very mobile device itself. Otherwise, you can also select it from the help of your drafts there. Otherwise, you can also just from the help of camera, you can just click the very picture that you want like this, and after you click it, you can also set it to your story, and after that you can send it. You can either send it to your stories, which will be in public mode. Otherwise, you can also share it to your close friends. So this is the way on how you can share your story on the very Instagram. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.